Hello, my name is Trent Parker with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, and I've got your weather planning briefing for this Thursday, October 23rd. It's a look at what's to come ahead here in the Northern Rockies over the next several days. We've got ridging in the forecast through Friday, which is tomorrow, so another round likely of that fog or frost, especially in the valley locations. We'll see winds increasing, especially in west central Idaho through the day on Friday, as well as those high clouds. So by Saturday morning, a little bit more mild, a reduced chance for that fog or frost, but we will start to pick up some shower chances, and most people will start to see that breeze or feel the breeze, I should say, if not some gusty winds by Saturday and Saturday afternoon. Increasing coverage of those showers by Saturday night and into Sunday morning as those snow levels drop toward our mountain pass locations. And then as those snow levels drop even further into Monday morning, we could see a couple of snowflakes mixing into the valley locations, but we're not expecting a whole lot of impact down there. Really, our concern is over those mountain passes and for our backcountry users. Probability of precipitation starts to ramp up Friday night and through the day Saturday, really peaking Saturday night and into the early morning hours on Sunday. This first piece is going to be a little bit wetter and a little bit more mild. And you can see that from this list sorted west to east, really those western locations receiving the bulk of the precipitation, especially with that first round. The second round comes in, lower snow levels, lower moisture amounts, but still, this could be a pretty impactful scenario here as those snow levels drop and the temperatures cool off. We're really concerned about those mountain passes, like I said, but we could see a couple isolated slick spots in our valley locations, so that's something to watch out for. And overall, we've seen a downtrend in forecast precipitation from what was indicated even just a couple of days ago or even just yesterday. These precipitation amounts have really come down here, and so we're not expecting quite the burly scenario that we were even just a couple of days ago. Snow levels and temperatures starting to cool off here, 7 to 8,000 foot snow levels through the day on Friday, and then they start to gradually lower through the day on Saturday, and then they take a plunge for Sunday, and especially by Monday morning. That's when we can see those snowflakes mixing into the valley locations as those temperatures cool off into the upper 20s and 30s. 24-hour totals, this is kind of a middle of the road snowfall forecast graphic, so keep that in mind. Really, we could end up on either side of this, but generally 3 to 6 inches above 6 to 7,000 feet in many of our mountain locations, especially as you head towards the Idaho border by Sunday morning, and then another round about 3 to 6 inches here by Monday morning. So a couple isolated areas maybe seeing a little bit more, but in general, a pretty moderate snowfall for our mountain locations, and those mountain passes will be one to watch. The most concerning would be Lookout, Low Lost Trail, and then those other high elevation seasonal roads like Skalkaho, Thompson. And then our secondary concerns would be towards the east, so places like Morais Pass, Homestake Pass, the Sealy Swan Lake Valley, and then also Georgetown Lake, a higher elevation place where we could see some steady light snowfall through Monday morning. We're also going to be talking about the winds because they will be breezy, if not gusty, especially in west central Idaho. Like I said, Grangeville up to 45-mile-an-hour gust potential Friday afternoon. And really, everyone starts to pick up that breeze by Friday evening. Most people see that breeze continuing through the day on Saturday and even into Sunday. So, this is kind of a long duration event for those south and southwesterly winds. The strongest gusts will, like I said, be across Idaho, and the potential for tree damage is there, especially at elevation where we're expecting some wet snow. 6 to 10 day outlooks pretty much near normal here for temperatures going through the 1st of November, but then we're picking up some signals that we could see maybe one or two more atmospheric river style storms here through the first couple of days. So that's really picking up here on the 6 to 10 day precipitation, above normal chances for above normal precipitation. And that's all I've got for you today. The next scheduled briefing will be on Sunday, October 26th. Hopefully, you guys have a great rest of your week and a safe weekend.